Hello friends, in previous lecture we have studied the algebra of vectors and coplanar vectors. Today we will study components of vector. We can represent a vector as a linear combination of basis vectors. Take the points capital A in bracket 1 0 0, capital B in bracket 0 1 0 and capital C 0 0 1 on the x axis, y axis and z axis respectively. Then mod of OA bar is equal to mod of OB bar is equal to mod of OC bar is equal to 1. The vectors OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, each having magnitude 1, are called unit vectors along the axis x, y, z respectively. These vectors are denoted by I cap, j cap, k cap respectively and also called as standard, basis or standard unit vectors. Any vector along x-axis is a scalar multiple of unit vector I cap, along y-axis is a scalar multiple of j cap and along z-axis is a scalar multiple of k cap. बघा ही कोलिनियरिटी प्रॉपर्टी आहे. एक्झाम्पल बघू आपण. 3i cap is a vector along OX with magnitude 3. 5j cap is a vector along OY with magnitude 5. 4k cap is a vector along OZ with magnitude 4. बघा फिगर बघा. O X Y Z फिगरमध्ये बघा. O X I cap पॉईंट्स आहे 1 0 0, पॉईंट्स आहे 0 1 0, J cap इथे K cap B. थेरम बघू आपण. Theorem 4. If A bar, B bar, C bar are three non-coplanar vectors, then any vector R bar in the space can be uniquely expressed as linear combination of A bar, B bar, C bar. Proof. Let A be any point in the space. Take the vectors A bar, B bar, C bar and R bar so that A becomes their initial point. बघा फिगर A पॉइंट्स A इनिशियल पॉइंट A इनिशियल पॉइंट पासून वेक्टर A बार हा C बार आणि हा B बार. लेट AP बार इज इक्वल टू R बार. बघा फिगरमध्ये बघा हा AP बार इज इक्वल टू R बार. As A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors, they determine three distinct planes intersecting at the point A through the point P. बघा 3 प्लेन तयार होत आहे इथे A बार, B बार, C बार मुळे. तर आपण पॉईंट P मधून ड्रॉ करू. हे बघा इथे पॉईंट P डॉटेड लाईन दाखवलेले आहे, ड्रॉ केलेले आहे. ड्रॉ द प्लेन पॅरलल टू द प्लेन फॉर्म बाय वेक्टर्स B बार, C बार. B बार, C बार मुळे तयार झालेले प्लेन ड्रॉ केलेले इथे. दिस प्लेन इंटरसेक्ट लाईन containing A bar at the point B. Similarly, draw the other planes and complete the parallelepiped. A bar at the point B. B पॉईंट पर्यंत, इथे C पॉईंट पर्यंत, इथे Q, इथे R, इथे T. मग हे पूर्ण पॉईंट आपण ड्रॉ करून घेतलेले आहेत आणि ते काय तयार झालं, पॅरलेलोपिपेड. नाउ AB bar and A bar are collinear. Therefore, AB bar is equal to XA bar where X is a scalar. Similarly, we have AQ bar is equal to YB bar and S bar is equal to ZC bar. where y and z are scalars. Also by triangle law of addition of vectors, आपण आधी बघितलेलं आहे triangle law of addition of vectors. Therefore AP bar is equal to AC bar plus CP bar in triangle ACP is equal to in bracket AB bar plus BC bar bracket complete plus CP bar in triangle ABC is equal to AB bar plus BC bar plus CP bar. Therefore AP bar is equal to AB bar plus BC bar plus CP bar. Therefore R bar is equal to XA bar plus YB bar plus ZC bar. Since AQ bar is equal to BC bar and AS bar is equal to CP bar. Therefore any vector R bar in the space can be expressed as linear combination of A bar, B bar and C bar. Uniqueness: suppose R bar is equal to x1 A bar plus x2 B bar plus x3 C bar, and also R bar is equal to y1 A bar plus y2 B bar plus y3 C bar for some scalars x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. x1 is equal to y1, x2 is equal to y2 and x3 is equal to y3. Subtracting one expression from the other, we have in bracket x1 minus y1 bracket complete into A bar plus x2 minus y2 bracket complete B bar plus x3 minus y3 bracket complete C bar is equal to 0 bar. As A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar, we must have x1 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus y2 is equal to x3 minus y3 is equal to 0. That is x1 is equal to y1, x2 is equal to y2 and x3 is equal to y3. Next point बघू आपण position vector. Position vector of a point capital P in bracket x, y, z in space. Consider a point P in space having coordinates in bracket x, y, z with respect to the origin O 0, 0, 0. Then the vector OP bar having O and P as its initial and terminal points respectively is called the position vector of the point P with respect to O. Let capital P in bracket xyz be a point in space. Therefore OA is equal to PM is equal to x, OB is equal to PN is equal to y, OC is equal to PL is equal to z. That is A is equal to in bracket x 0, 0, B is equal to in bracket 0, y, 0 and C is equal to in bracket 0, 0, z bracket complete. Let I cap, j cap, k cap be unit vectors along positive direction of x axis, y axis and z axis is respectively. Therefore OA bar is equal to xi cap, OB bar is equal to yj cap and OC bar is equal to zk cap. OP bar is the position vector of point P in space with respect to origin O. OP bar is the position vector of point P in space with respect to the origin O. बघा फिगर बघा, फिगरमध्ये बघा हा पॉइंट O P L A M N C M B Y yj cap, xi cap, zk cap. हे पोजिशन वेक्टर xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, xi cap plus yj cap. Representation of OP bar in terms of unit vector I cap, j cap, k cap. In triangle OLP we have बघा फिगरमध्ये बघा in triangle OLP OP bar is equal to OL plus LP is equal to OA bar plus AL bar plus LP bar from triangle OAL is equal to OA bar plus OB bar plus OC bar. Since AL bar is equal to OB bar, is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Equation first. Magnitude of OP bar. Now OP square is equal to OL square plus LP square in right angle triangle OLP is equal to OA square plus AL square plus LP square in right angle triangle OAL is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OC square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore, length of OP is equal to in square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore, OP bar is equal to in square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Next topic बघू आपण components form of R bar. If R bar is a position vector PV ने denote करतात of point P with respect to O, then R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. In this representation, x, y, z are called the components of R bar along OX, OY and OZ. बघा इथे note that any vector in space is unique linear combination of I vector, j vector and k vector. काही बुक्समध्ये आर वेक्टर्स रिप्रेझेंट असे केलेले असतात. आर बार इज इक्वल टू एक्स आय कॅप प्लस वाय जे कॅप प्लस झेड के कॅप युजिंग अँगल ब्रॅकेट ॲज आर बार इज इक्वल टू इन अँगल ब्रॅकेट आहे बघा हा इन एक्स वाय झेड फॉर द पॉईंट एक्स वाय झेड. वेक्टर नेक्स्ट पॉईंट वेक्टर जॉइनिंग टू पॉईंट्स. लेट O be the origin, then OA bar and OB bar are the position vectors of points A and B with respect to origin O. In triangle AOB, we have by triangle law AOB. Triangle law प्रमाणे AB bar is equal to AO bar plus OB bar is equal to minus OA bar plus OB bar. Therefore, AO bar is equal to minus OA bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. That is AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. If A is equal to in bracket x1 comma y1 comma z1 and B is equal to in bracket x2 comma y2 comma z2, then OA bar is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap and OB bar is equal to x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap. Therefore, AB bar is equal to OB bar minus OA bar is equal to in bracket x2 I cap plus y2 j cap plus z2 k cap bracket complete minus in bracket x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap bracket complete. आता या ब्रॅकेटमधून आपण आय कॅप जे कॅप के कॅप कॉमन काढून घेतलं. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये राहिलं x2 मायनस x1 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट आय कॅप प्लस इन ब्रॅकेट y2 मायनस y1 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट जे कॅप प्लस z2 मायनस z1 ब्रॅकेट कंप्लीट इंटू के कॅप. Therefore, mod of AB bar is equal to in square root of in bracket x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square plus z2 minus z1 bracket square. In general, in any non-zero vector A bar in space can be expressed uniquely as the linear combination of I cap, j cap, k cap as A bar is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap where A1, A2, A3 are scalars. Therefore, mod of A bar is equal to in square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Okay, students.